Hey guys, hi. I hope you are all fine. So, in today's videos, I am going to unbox one thing, and as I can see, this is already on your screen, and you have guessed what it is. If not, then let's watch the complete video. This is Dell Dock is short for docking station. The model is WD19S 180 watts. I will tell you what is a docking station, what does it do, why is it required, and side by side, I'm going to unbox this device. I have not opened the box yet. It's in front of me. The seal tape is still intact. The OEM is Dell. As you can see the logo on the top of this box. Okay. So first and foremost, the price. No, first and foremost, what is a docking station? So docking station is a device, is an electronic device which is used to connect to multiple external devices at once. So you don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to plug everything into a CPU or into a laptop. In laptops, you don't have multiple ports in it. uh, in this instance you can purchase either a separate this USB extension if you need more USB connectors to your laptop or to your computer, but a docking station, this option is a best choice because not only it provides USB ports, it also supports HDMI connectivity, Ethernet connectivity, power delivery, etc, etc. Okay. So it's easy. It's just plug and play device, and I will tell you the difference between, because Dell offers multiple models in the docking stations as per your requirement, and you can also compare themselves on their website. See, if I scroll below, let me just maximize this window so that you guys will be able to see it properly. So if you just click on compare, I have already opened the tab. I'll discuss all about it in this video. Okay, all the tech specs as well. So this is the model that I have purchased, and this is another model that you can purchase if it is required for you, if you think this is a superior model, but if you think this you for your particular scenario, this model is more optimized. Okay. And there is one more model, so you can compare the model among themselves on Dell website as well. And as you can see on the website, if you type what is a docking station, it will tell you that it is a device that connects a mobile device, you can say laptop, to multiple external devices such as monitors, keyboard, multiple mice. But who needs multiple mice? Okay. Docking station is fine. So let me quickly shift my webcam to this box. hmm. I hope this is visible to you. There we go. Let me just resize the aspect ratio of it. hmm. So this is inside the frame now. It's fine. And I have this cutter ready with myself. Cut the seal, open the lid, and this is what you see inside the box. So first and foremost, this is the device docking station that I was telling you. It comes with a USB type C power delivery, that supports power delivery, this plug, and what else is inside the box? This is the power cable. Okay. Which you directly connect to a power socket, and the other end will go inside this. So let me quickly remove the tape, and this is inside the plastic bag. This is type C cable, and as you can see on the screen right in front of you, it's the number of ports that are available, and a few ports are available on the other side as well. Okay. So to tell you about the port, this is first, this is the charging port. Here you have to insert your power cable. The other end of the power cable will go to the power socket. Okay. And this is LAN cable, RJ45 connector. These are USB 3.1, or I think it's 3.2. Let's quickly check on the internet. So If I click on the tech specs, you will see everything. The interfaces it comes with two times this display port. This is the display port DP, and along with it you will get an HDMI port, and this is a Type C port. These are USB-C 3.2 generation display port, and these are all the details that you can read from here. Ethernet port supports gigabit Ethernet interface, which is up to 1 Gbps both sides. Cables, storage, watt. Okay, maximum watt provided is, no, it's not maximum. Maximum is 180 watt. Okay, this is the one. And on the other hand side, another USB Type C and Type 3.2. For if you are connecting it to an external monitor, the maximum resolution detail is here, 4K and QHD displays, which support up to 3 displays. So if you want to connect more than 2 monitors to your laptop or to your computer, you have to use a docking station or an HDMI splitter, as you can say. For example, if you want to connect your laptop to a projector, let's say, and to a iPad or to a tablet that you want to write on. Okay, for example, you are teaching online students, so you, and if you are solving some equations, you have to write on an iPad, because you cannot directly write using mouse on a MS Paint. Okay, so either either you have to purchase one HDMI splitter, like in HDMI splitter also comes with single input and multiple outputs, like 1 to 2, 1 to 4. That depends on the requirement which you prefer. Okay, I I uses both. I use both this 1 is to 2 and 1 is to 4. So on that, one input cable comes directly from your computer, HDMI cable. I'm talking about HDMI splitter. VGA splitter also comes, but it's obsolete now. No, I think nobody uses VGA splitter nowadays. For HDMI splitter, the input cable comes from the PC, from the laptop to the device, and the other output cables, 2 or 4, you connect directly to a projector or to your tablet, if your tablet has an HDMI port in it. Otherwise you can use a converter there as well, like VGA to HDMI, DP to HDMI, etc, etc. Or the best choice would be use a docking station. So if your internet port is not working in your laptop, you can use the RJ45 port here. It provides everything. Talking about the price, let me quickly check on the internet. On their website, if you are purchasing it online directly from Dell, it's exactly 16298.99. So mota mota 16,300 rupees. But if you are purchasing it from a local market, okay, from any offline stores, you can get it around 9500 to 10,000 plus GST. So your total will be around 11,000, between 11,000 to 12,000. Okay, that depends on the amount of negotiation you do with your vendor before purchasing it. Okay, so let's continue the unboxing part. This is the power cable. Let me quickly remove it from the pouch. There you go, this three-way pin. hmm. So mm, right now I'm not sure where to connect this one. Let me check here. Power adapter, voltage, power required, OS required. Here you can see on the screen, this one is the charger. Okay, so this is a big charger and it's heavy. The weight also you can see on the screen, it's 585 grams. This is the power one that I was talking about. This can give power to this docking station like this. And I'm currently not sure because there is okay, okay, I zoned out. It goes here inside the adapter, and the other, and this is an Indian pin, round pin. You can put it into your socket. So that's it for the unboxing part. And for the comparison, so this is another model. This one this one is which I purchased, WD19S. This one is the performance docking station, WD19DCS. This 19S model is quite old. See, it released in based on Dell internal, I think after COVID. And this is a more newer model. This is expensive. If you want to purchase it for like on from any offline store or any offline market, it will cost you around 14 15 16,000, not more than that, including taxes and everything. For video resolution, you can see a short description here, but if you want to see all the technical specifications, you click tech specs. You see the maximum resolution output, number of pixels increased that it supports, Ethernet, fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, it supports up to 1 Gbps, and all the ports you can see on the screen. And the maximum amount of power that this device can deliver is 210 watts. That's more than 30 watts, but that depends on the laptop that you are, first whether it is compatible or not, and second the requirement of the laptop, the capacity of the laptop to charge. Okay, 90-watt power delivery to non-Dell systems. This is very useful information. vPro is the new technology provided by Intel. Tak. Windows 11 supported. Ubuntu 18.04 plus model supported. Currently it's 22.04 LTS something. So it's fine. And for the comparison chart, you can compare among the different docking stations here online. Warranty, this docking stations comes with this for 2 years. Okay. This is the part number. So I think that's all from my side. If you have any questions, do let me know. I have been using this docking station. I've ordered this new one today. I've been using the same model, the older one, WD19S, for I think it's been 2 years now, and it's working fine. I've used it in multiple laptops. It's working fine. And one thing I remember before I forget, I have to mention is that if you scroll down to this page, you can read everything built for the future. Of course, it provides a clutter free, because you don't have to manage each cable, and you have to put every cable inside your computer. You don't have to do it by using this single device. You can read all the information here. You can see a compatibility chart here as well. Let me quickly search. Check compatibility. If you click on it, it will show you all the Dell. If you are a Dell person, if you use the Dell laptop, it will show you all the models that are supported by particular docking station models. Okay, so if you have Latitude series, you can purchase WD19S, WD19TB, 19DC, etc., etc., but not with Chromebook. And commercial Latitude series, commercial means with that comes with the Ethernet port and professional Windows. If you are preferring it to purchase it with Windows. And the only difference between the home version and the professional version of Windows is that in professional version of the Windows, you can join a domain. Okay, so if you have a Windows server environment, if you want to control over all the laptops, desktops, like endpoints, can say, so in that case you have to use Pro, because in home environment typically you are not working on a server, because only you have 1 2 client machines, and you don't want to connect your client machines to a domain just to restrict or allow some policies, uh, like to maintain consistency in the wallpaper of the user, just for an example, or want to deploy particular, like user 1, printer 1, and deploy printer 2 for user 2. It's not like this in home environments. Latitude series, Precision series, Inspiron series, Vostro series, XPS series. Okay, I will put all the links. This one, compare chart. You will find, you have to select all the models and click on compare, and this compatibility chart. Okay, so if you have any questions, I would love to answer them. And please also mention if you are currently using a docking station other than of Dell, and which model. Okay, I would love to know. Thank you. Bye bye.